Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been almost 4 years now since I posted a video, but I'm here to say that I'm back and I'll be posting more videos for you guys. So in today's video, I will be sharing with you my experience traveling to Grenada for the first time. From connecting flights to quarantining for 7 days with absolutely nothing to do, to being on the island and just experiencing everything the island had to offer. Well, maybe not everything, but you know. Before we get into the video, if you haven't already, subscribe down below for more content. Like this video, guys, and share with your friends.
So let's get into the video. So this trip was actually in March, and this clip is departing Dominica. I had to make stops in St. Lucia, Barbados, St. Vincent, and finally Grenada.
Ladies and gentlemen, we just landed the beautiful island of St. Lucia. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and the fasten seatbelt sign has been switched off.
We stopped in St. Lucia for about 15 to 20 minutes to pick up more passengers. So this is us leaving St. Lucia to our next stop, Barbados. So we're flying over Barbados at this point. Now guys, I had a layover of 7 hours in Barbados until my next flight. That was crazy. So we had to disembark, pick up our luggage, go through customs, literally get out of the airport, and we could only check in 2 hours before the flight, before our next flight. So, with 7 hours of nothing to do, and the airport not having any food, I called one of my best friends from college living in Barbados. And myself, his girlfriend, and I went for some food, and then we chilled on the beach. Hallie, it's time to leave Barbados. We're on our way to Grenada. Or so I thought. Our next stop was actually St. Vincent and then Grenada. So this is us landing in St. Vincent for another 20 minutes, pick up some more passengers, and then head to Grenada. Unfortunately, I could not get any footage of us landing in Grenada. At that point, it was already nighttime. I was so tired. I slept for the whole flight. Now guys, that was it for this video. If you want to see part 2 of me visiting Grenada for the first time, go ahead and like this video and be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.